Hey guys, Booligan here with Booligan Airsoft and Shooting Sports. Today doing something from the Shooting Sports department and taking a look at a project build that I'm going to be starting here basically right away. This thing. What we're looking at, get out of the glare, this is a 50 caliber flintlock black powder pistol. This doesn't really quite look like one yet because I have to build it. When it's done, going to look a little something like that, except that's the percussion model, not the flintlock model. This is the Trapper pistol from Traditions, being a black powder firearm. This is able to be delivered straight to my door. No FFL, nothing like that. Just got it shipped straight to me. And it is as indicated, it is a build-yourself kit. I've previously built one of these before. I built one of their Kentucky rifle kits, a percussion cap firing model. And the process isn't too hard. So after going to Disneyland and riding Pirates of the Caribbean about 10 times, I said, you know what I need? I need a flintlock pistol. And I contacted the fine folks over at Traditions and said, let's look at your kits. Let's find one that would work for me. And here you go. This is the one that kind of perfectly fits with their current product line. Exactly what I want. It gives me a good base to customize and build exactly the pistol that I want. These kits are available priced depending on whether you get the percussion cap, which is less expensive than the flintlock model, but they're about $300. They're, like I said, cheaper for the percussion cap model, around like $250, $275, somewhere around there. But obviously I had to go for the most authentic experience and had to go with the flintlock. So we're going to be doing a multi-video series on this. We're going to do a video where we build it and show some of the customization and things like that I'm doing to it, and then we're also going to do some test shooting at the range. So stay tuned for that on the channel here very soon, and wish me luck as I dive into the world of black powder gun assembly. Thanks for watching.